Every now and again, Hunky Dory comes up with their little square books. Now, this is Sweet Springtime, as you can see. They are 4 3/4 by 4 3/4, so that's a square. And there are 150 sheets in here. Now, each sheet has is duplicated 6 times, so you're going to get 25 images. Okay, everybody doing that math? 25 times 6, 150. I'm going to show you each of the designs just so that you can see them. They are all just charming. So there's going to be lots of little animals, but a few little flowers. And there you go. There's the bunnies playing in the watering can, bunny in the garden, and there's that watering can by itself. We have a deer, and you're going to see other deer. We've got lambs and bunnies. Again, this is springtime. Some bunny loves you. And we have some bears with butterflies and flowers, some more watering cans, and some lambs. If one lamb is good, I'm sure 2 are even better. Have a lovely day. And we also have a bear by itself with a couple of butterflies. There is our deer and another. So you can see there are several of these that are just lovely greetings, but beautiful on a card or on a scrapbook page. There we go. You're blooming lovely. Isn't that nice? Well, this is a British thing. Live life in full bloom. For a very dear friend. I thought that was quite charming. We've got a little bunny scampering, and we've got our woodland creatures all together in a wreath. Some bunnies that are a trio of bunnies playing with their ears, and the lambs and a deer. We've got Easter wishes, and then we also have some Easter eggs. So, Sweet Springtime, 25 designs. You're going to get 6 of each sheet, and use them as you will. You may want to cut some out to put on something, or put this one down flat, take the other one and cut those out and foam tape them up, whatever you like. You've got lots of artwork to play with, and springtime is here.